Hey, Stormwalker 100 here. Just, sitting out my new car. Got a Volkswagen Jetta. If, you know that sound. It's got a standard transmission. Shifts excellent. No issues at all. Nice, soft clutch. Very, responsive throttle. It's a pretty fast car. It's got brand new brakes on it. 3 good tires. 1 tire's a little bald. There's your dash. 96,000 miles. So that ain't too bad. It's got a Pioneer head unit, which is pretty sharp. It sounds good. It's got the factory speakers, which isn't too bad because they're Bose. It's a Bose component system. It's got tweeters in the dash on either side. I don't like the way they're angled though. They're offset. Aggravates me. 6.5s in the door, and in the back we got 6.5s, tweeters, and a whopping big trunk. This thing has a huge trunk. I'm thinking about doing a wall with the triple X. Or a trunk wall, anyways. Freaking nuts. 4-door, obviously. It needs a washing. It's got a few spots on it, you know, as any $600 car would. It's got a few dents. But otherwise, it's not too bad. For a temporary system, what I plan on doing is taking the kicker comps, being the rear speakers are kind of not all that good. You can see them right there. I think. I don't know. It's kind of dark. I'm going to wire the kicker comps to the 2 rear channels on the radio until I get some wiring in it. But, that's the car, and what I got with the car. While they may be ugly, they actually work excellent. And you'll see these in a minute once I get inside. Because iPods are stupid and you can't pause the video and start it back. But, they're classic, kind of. Well, one of them is. I'm not sure about the other. Rusty. But we have here well, apparently my camera has gone stupid. There we go. We have here a Nitro 1000 watt 4-channel. It's a BMW 483 bridgeable. This thing is ugly. That is the only way to explain it. But it's a 4-channel. It can be operated in 3-channel or 2-channel mode. It puts out clean power. It sounds really good. And of course I use those to test it. And here is a Kenwood KAC 626 2-channel. It's got some rust, obviously. These were garage finds, he just threw them in the car. to go with it. You can see a cap in there. Pretty good sized cap. Pretty sure it's got a couple. But I'm going to be running the nitro eventually on a nice set of components in the rear. And the kicker comps, I think. That's my plan anyways. As for the Kenwood, I might end up running that. But it's got 25 amps of fusing. The 4-channel has 40. So common sense says 4-channel is going to have more power. Almost double. So the sub-channel is probably going to put out close to what the Kenwood will. Because everybody knows these Kenwoods won't do rated. Unless you clip them to death. I learned that with mine. But, I also picked this up. Woohoo! Yeah, a little gun trick there. Maybe I'll stick it in the window and make it flop around. And I'll do it with these. This thing's actually pretty beast though. I can't hate. Well, that's my video for now. Thanks for watching. I'll do another video later of the sound system. Show y'all what it can do. Maybe a little bit of excursion from those rear drivers. They're not too shabby. They sound like arse whenever you get bass to them though. Not made for that. But yeah, look for updates.